Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about economic planning. So this is the fourth chapter in the Indian economy by Ramesh Singh. So in previous classes we already completed three chapters. Okay. So coming to the subject. So first of all, in this class we will study about the introduction to the economic planning. Okay. So here today most of the world economies are planned economy. Okay, and the world has seen some major experimental breakthroughs. Here breakthroughs means sudden or important development in the area of economic planning by now. Okay, so it means not only adopting the world planned economy, but we have to see something experimental. It means sudden important developments in the economy. Okay, so we started planet economy since its independence. Okay, so whenever we got independence, it means on 15th August 1947 we started our economy to be a planet economy, and it continues to be at present. Also we are continuing that much of the planning in economy. Okay, so still India is continuing the planning under the Niti Aayog. Okay, so from March 1950, so the planning commission was introduced in India. Okay, so Jan 2015 the planning commission was abolished, and it has a new important body, that is Niti Aayog. Okay, so at present our planned economy is going under the umbrella of the Niti Aayog. Okay, so the names are changing, but the aim and the goal are same, and planning commission to the Niti Aayog. Okay, so compare with the planning commission, it was very updated, and the important versions were taken in the Niti Aayog. Okay, okay, so coming to the important point, so that is what is economic planning. Okay, I think you have an idea about planning. Whenever we are going to construct any house, we have to first decide what is the house planning. Okay, so in the same way in economy also there are some key economic decisions, and information will be passed. Okay, so those economic decisions will be taken by the government, so that is a central government. Okay, so India is divided into different states. Okay, the states are comes under the power of the central government. Okay, 28 states and one central government. So 28 states are comes under the power of the central government only. We have the responsibility, and we have to explain ourselves to the central government. It is the main important theme. Okay, so not only enjoying the rights of the state governments, but we have to responsible to the central government. Okay, so here the economic planning main aim is to take the economic decisions are influenced by the central government itself only. Okay, so for to make decisions with respect to the use of resources, especially economy means resources. Okay, so whenever we need resources, and the decisions will be taken, those regarding the resources, we have to follow the rules and regulations which are made by the central government. So that is the economic planning. Okay, so this is only the introduction part to the economic planning. So in this chapter, so what is the planning economy, and how it was evolved, and why we need the planning economy in India. So regarding these questions, we will discuss in this chapter, that is economic planning. Okay, so total in this lesson we have to discuss about introduction part. Now we completed, and the definition of the economic planning. There are so many definitions which were given by the authors, and origin and expansion, how it was origin. Okay, so where we adopted this type of the economic planning in India, from which country. Okay, and next expansion, how it was expanded from planning commission to the Niti Aayog. Okay, before independence also we had an idea about the economic planning. Okay, so that is the origin and expansion of the planning. And next, types of the planning. Okay, so there are so many types of the planning. planning. So for example, imperative planning, next indicative planning, etc. There's so many types of the planning in India. Okay, next, in case of India, so what's the version in India? So we started our planning from the planning commission. Now we decided and we abolished the planning commission and we started a new body, so that is the Niti Ayog. Okay, so in January 2015. Okay, so this is in case of India, means what were the changes in the India, especially regarding the economic planning. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about the definition of the economic planning. Okay.